What's a zero-based budget? Here's why you need one. Welcome to the Millennial Financial Times, your go-to source for practical financial tips and strategies. Ever wonder where all your money goes? You're not alone. If you're tired of your paycheck disappearing, a zero-based budget could be the solution you need. It's a powerful way to take control of your finances. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a zero-based budget? It's simple. A zero-based budget assigns every dollar of your income to a specific expense or savings goal. This means you're telling your money exactly where to go instead of wondering where it went. Imagine knowing exactly how much you have left after bills, groceries, and even fun. No more surprises, just clarity and control. With zero-based budgeting, every dollar has a purpose, giving you peace of mind and total control over your money. Ready to get started? It's easy. Just list your income and expenses, then assign every dollar a job until you hit zero. It's simple, effective, and can be life-changing. Start today and take charge of your finances. Thanks for watching. Check out millennialfinancialtimes.com for answers to all your pressing financial questions.